I own. Give up my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know that won't let you go and taking it all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and you don't hear a word they say. And I would give anything I own. Give my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again, just to talk to you words again. There's someone you know, you go and taking it all for granted. You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and you don't hear a word they say. And I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again, just to talk to you words again, just to hold you once again. Do you love me? 6 feet tall, straight from Romeo. Do you love me? Play the music that I love. Do you love me? Vibration sent from up above. Do you love me? She's the rocker, she's the rocker, rocking to my melody. I'm rocking, you're rocking to my reggae melody. Dreadlocks flying through the air. Do you love me? All I've got is slow. Shit, do you love me? Yeah. No matter what the people say, keep a jamming every day. Do you love me?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? Like we promised, they were here like 2 weeks ago. They did a fantastic job. So we invited them back to do one more performance for us. Give it up for the African Soul and Dance Group. Can I have a round of applause, please? Yeah, man. Give it up, give it up.
All right, I'm gonna to just speak in the mic and give you guys an introduction. Bonochi, Chocolate City. How are we doing? How are we feeling? Okay, I'm going to give a small introduction before we do the performance. I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Kevin Gums from San Nicolas, born and raised. I'm a professional dancer, choreographer, and performer in collaboration with Soul and Harmony Foundation. I've been working with the ladies some few months already. Specific style called Akoni. Akoni is a dance style that's based in Senegal and also in Kenya. In 2018, when I was finalizing my bachelor's degree as a dance teacher, I went to Kenya to do a research of the style. So what we're going to see tonight is an implementation of the 3 points, which starts with the chest, that's the sun, and then we have coming down to the pelvis is the stars, and then we call to the back, which is the boom C. We call it San Nicolas, is the popo, is the moon. So this is the 3 points, we connect to each other. What we're gonna do for you to have an insight of the performance, because it's gonna be 3 sections. We're gonna start with warming up, that's to engine up the sun, the stars, and the sun, and then we have some exercise in between, and then we have also ending with a choreography that we prepared for you guys. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
All right. Are you ready?
Oh, na na na. Africa. Listen. You are the one who make my heart sing. You are the one who make my na 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 na. From the time you came into my life, I know you are the one. Now I want to tell you I love you, my son. African lady, God, my love you, my love you, my love you, my love. African lady, my love you, my love you, my love you, my love. Oh na na na. All my love for you. Yeah. Sometimes when I feel sad and lonely, na, 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 you give me love and make me happy. Na, 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 na. Yeah. I know many times I've done things that bring water to your eyes, but I know it's not, so now I apologize. African lady, oh, my love you, my love you, my love you, I my love you, African lady, my love you, my love you, my love you, I my love you. There's no other one like you. Oh, mama, oh. Oh, mama, oh, mama, oh. Mapata, mapata, muti. Mapata, Lord, Lord. Of your majesty. You show your face to hear them. You're the master of my love, but you're up from my leg. You're the protector of my legacy. African lady, Lord, give my love, give my love, give my love, give my love, tell you again, African lady, give my love, give my love, give my love, give my love, Lord. You makata uti, yadani apavale malede. Oh, makata uti, makata. God, woman, I love you. I know I love you. King my love and the king my love. Like the king that open and Sheba. Yes, the king my love you forever. Oh, makata. Woman, I love you. Woman, I love you.
Yeah, man. Give it up one more time for Kevin Gums, Sharina Gums, and the rest of the dancers, African Soul and Art Dance Group. Give it up, give it up. Y'all come out one more time, take a bow. That was nice. Y'all, come on, one more time. Get them a round of applause. Make them feel nice, man. Very good job. Thank you very much, Sharina. Nice. And, uh, and also there's dance classes from the African and Soul group. But I know it's on Saturday. Sharina, you want to tell the people them when they can come? And
Yes, so we have classes Saturdays, 10 a.m. till 12 p.m. at Centro de Barrio, Brazil. Everyone is welcome.
yeah, so every Saturday from 10 until 12 at Centro de Barrio, Brazil. All right, you can check it out. If you want to learn a little bit of cultural dance, art, stuff like that, check them out. Check out Kevin and Sharina Gums, okay? Sharina, you got a phone number or?
So you can call WhatsApp 749-1217. 749-1217. Thanks.
749-1217, okay? So you can check that number out. And yeah, it's pretty good. Are you ready? Okay, then we're gonna have in a few minutes. We're gonna do a couple tunes, and then we're gonna have the Caribbean Queen, Jackie Jantasia, gonna come out and do a few songs for us. Okay? All right. We want to welcome each and every one of you to O'Neill's Caribbean Kitchen tonight. Yeah, Friday night vibes. This is how we do it on Fridays here, okay? And don't forget, 9 p.m., it's karaoke night in the lounge. All the moms that can sing a good song, if you want to sing a good song, you have a chance to win a prize. All right? Moms only. And then you're going to win a free buffet right here at O'Neill's Caribbean Kitchen for Mother's Day. Okay, so if you want to do a song, check out the launch. Starts at 9 p.m. O'Neill Lounge right next door here. Okay. Just don't want to be lonely, Matiano.
losing my mind. You're like the stars in the skies. When I look in your eyes, I believe my life is complete.